I am Stanley Milgram, an American social psychologist. Yup, that guy who conducted the experiment about obedience to authority. In this case, we recruited 40 volunteers to join this experiment. They are told that the experiment that involved is about the effect of punishment on learning. However, it is all fake. The real purpose of this experiment is to observe that when the subjects are forced by authority to make a decision that violates conscience and morality, will they stick to following their moral sense or just choose to compromise? There are two people who will play the role of learner or teacher in this experiment, but one of them actually is an actor who cooperates with us. So no matter what, she will draw the slip for playing the role of teacher who administered the punishment, while at the same time, the actor will definitely play the role of learner who will receive the punishment using electric shock.
First, the teacher will read a series of word pairs such as strong arm, luger, or something like that, and the learners need to memorize them after that. The teacher will read the questions, strong arm for example, and she will read only the first word strong, followed by a series of word choices, back, arm, win, and the learners need to choose the correct word pairs by tapping one of these three buttons, and if a single alike, in the other room.
The experimenter takes out electrode paste which can eliminate any excess burn or blisters and smeared on her wrist. At the same time, the learner tells them that she has a heart condition. After the experimenter and teacher go out, the learner sets up a recorder which plays previously recorded sounds for each shock level.
If the learner gets the answer incorrect, she will receive an electric shock. And this is connected to the shock generator in the next room. If she gets the answer incorrect, you administer the shock by flipping one of these switches here.
Then, the teacher was given a sample electric shock to feel what the shock that the student would receive during the experiment. Now, the experiment really begins.
Now learners, I'll read you the word pair. Mr. Zul, hot roti canai, softball, Richard, Blackpink, badminton, book play, Super Mario, social psychology, and peanut. Let us start the question now. First question, Mr. Ki Zul Ahmad. Correct. Okay, the next question is hot. Dog, girl, hot roti canai. Correct. 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 Okay, next. Black. Panther, pink, wallpaper. Incorrect. The correct answer is Blackpink. 15 words.
She finds her way into it. With increasing confidence, she finds a rhythm, a groove, until...
Incorrect. The correct answer is badminton.
Ow!
Please continue.
The learner continues to answer the next few questions incorrectly. As the voltage increased, the learner shouted loudly, even banging the wall, while the teacher also began to show some negative emotions such as hesitation and sighing. But when she asked the experimenter whether to continue the experiment, due to her affirmative answer, she chose to obey and continue the experiment.
Incorrect. The correct answer is Super Mario.
The experiment requires you to continue.
Ow! Please, stop it!
The last question is pine, apple, yard, Chiyun answer.
It is absolutely essential that you continue.
$450.
The teacher believes that the learner is receiving actual shocks, but the truth is in this experiment, 26 of the 40 volunteers, which is 65%, were obedient. They delivered the strongest electric shock, which is 450 volts to the learner.
450 volts.
On the other hand, there are 14 others, which is 35%, who recognize a moral breach, took responsibility for their actions, and persisted continuing the experiment.
Incorrect. The answer is Super Mario. 250 volts. Please continue. I can't do it.
I don't require you to continue.
No, I will do it.
When the experiment ended, the experimenter and the learner came out and told the volunteers about the truth and the real purpose of this experiment.
$350的时候，你就看他讲 discontinue， 你就 OK。我们先 set 掉这个心情。这是水跑，这边开始。